I ordered some beading accessories from Temu. The package has arrived, so let's unpack it together. These mixed beads for decorating one of my beaded bags, and this is a kiss lock size 8.5 cm. Yeah, you can use it to make beaded bag for kids as well. So this is my chain handle. Yeah, I ordered as many as possible. It came with it came in different sizes, different lengths. Yeah, this one is a shorter length, so I have different sizes. And these ones are ribbons for my lining or pouch. That will be like lining for beaded bags. Okay, this is another kiss lock. Yeah, this is a bigger size. I've forgotten the size of this one, but I'm going to list them down in the description. So this is sequin beads for decorating, and then this is cube bead, also known as sugar beads, and this is a dark green transparent sugar beads. So these ones are still mixed beads, different shapes, like they are just mixed up different shapes of bead. I want to use it for my decorative bead. And then this one is chain. I got a roll of it like this. I got a bunch of it, so I can be cutting it and fixing in my bag. I can cut the desired length I want. So like I said, I ordered a lot of bag chains for my handle and any form of decorative stuff I want on the beaded bag. So this is a tag, like is a tag, just a leather tag written handmade. I wasn't expecting this actually. I was surprised. Then this one is another decorative bead. The other one is orange color and this other one is red. So I'm going to be using it to decorate one of my beaded bags. So these are white mixed shapes for decorating my bags as well. So this is still another decorative bead. Like I think I ordered 2 or 3 of it in the red color. So this is sugar bead, another cube, another transparent, white transparent sugar bead. So these are mixed color beads. I want to use it to decorate my bags. This one's also mixed color as well. I added a lot of mixed shapes just to give my beaded bag a luxury look. This is a card, just a card written thank you for supporting my small business. And then this is berry pearls or yori pearls, as some people may call it. And this is another dark green transparent sugar bead. Yeah, this is another mixed color bead. All these are for my decorative. All these are to decorate my beaded bags. I've used the sugar beads to achieve my watermelon beaded bag. And then there are some of those decorative beads. I've used some of them. If you check my previous video, you will see where I used the decorative bead on one of my bags, Bottega inspired bag. So these are metal handle. I'm going to put a full list of the products in the description. You can check them out. So this is an o-ring, just like a hook. You can see, if you check my watermelon beaded bag video, I used two of it to hang the chain, the metal bag chain. So this is another mist color decorative beads. Another transparent sugar bead. This one is open already, so you can see that this lemon green. I've used the beads already, so you can check my watermelon beaded bag to see what I used the beads for. And this red sugar bead, red transparent sugar bead. If you have watched this video to this point, please do well to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, so that I will be able to upload more videos like this for you in the future. This is another back chain, another chain handle. I told you I got as many as possible. Okay, this back is hook. These are my hooks. I got these about 50 pieces of hooks with their rings. Okay, this is another decorative bead. This is another Yoriyori pearls, mist color transparent sugar bead. Okay, this is another bag handle. Yeah, this one is so stylish. I love it. And then these are my packaging nylon. This is another mist color bead. Okay, this is another transparent sugar bead. Okay, these berry pearls, or Yoriyori pearls as some people may call it. This size 10 mm. This is another decorative bead. Yoriyori pearls. These are my sequin decorative beads. Okay, I saw this set of jewelry, earring, necklace and ring. But I really love this set. It was beautiful. This is another back handle, Mickey Mouse shape. So that's everything I got on Temu. How much do you think all this cost in total? Drop your guess in the comment section. And if you ever shopped on Temu, what's your favorite find so far? I would love to know. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.